What up, YouTube? So this is basically part 5 of the LED conversion over for the Corvette. Right now is going to be super easy. We're doing license plate LED lights, and we're doing the reverse LED lights. So shouldn't be hard. Let's get into it. Obviously, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your license plate, which isn't a problem there. Next, you got 4 T15s, I believe they are. And you just pull out the whole panel there. Alrighty, so that is the 4th one, and I believe this whole panel just pulls out like so. Whoa. Okay, so pull your reverse lights out. Okay, we see that. And then, all right, guys, so these are the reverse lights that I got. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're just LED reverse lights. I used Oxito because Oxito's been good to me in the past. And these are supposed to be 360 lights, so they should be fairly bright. Yeah. So these should be 1157s, I believe, but pretty simple to put these in, I would think. Pretty simple. Put it in there, and then we'll test them out. Should be pretty easy to tell if they're working or not, I would think. Yeah. All right, let's test them. All right, this is just a test to see if they work. And put her in reverse. And they are bright. Nice. We are good. All right, next up, we're doing the license plate lights. What we got, Colton? We got 2 T15 screws for both sides. So 4 total. Yep. Okay. So these are the license plate lights, and those are tiny little bastards. So this is what I've got for license plate lights. Once again, Oxitos. They're 194s. We'll have to check the polarities. I'm pretty sure these are party foul. So this is what I got. These were pretty cheap. Like I said, I'll link these that I got on Amazon here. Okay, so we got those in. Bentley, hand me the light. Do me a favor. Go turn the lights on real quick so we can see if, just like you've done before. And we'll see if these work. I'm pretty sure these are reverse polarity.
You want me to turn them on now?
Yeah, go ahead. They
work.
So turn them off. Thank you, sir. And as simple as that. Hopefully this works. We're going to test them out now. Go ahead, Bentley. Yep, they work. So, hey guys, just a quick note. When you're reinstalling these license plate lights, you got to kind of get the bracket to hover over the bolt hole to get it started right. If not, it just kind of doesn't want to go in the way it's supposed to. Because it literally just uses I'm guessing the fiberglass bumper itself as its brace.
Yeah.
So, one more. All right, so now we just plug our lights back in, guys. I think it goes the other way. Oh wait, it's upside down, Colton.
This?
No, the panel. See the slots at the bottom?
Oh shit, yeah, might help.
There you go.
Yeah, so much easier.
Simple as that, and then we just put our 4 Torx bolts back in.
Yeah.
They're right there. Hold this, Bentley. Right there. All right, guys, so let's see how it all looks coming back out. Oh, that looks much nicer as far as the license plate lights go. And then the reverse lights. Oh, yeah, that's much better. More gooder.
It's not a word.
All right. In theory, guys, when I lock this, so those light up like that. And then when I unlock it, they should light up the bottoms. Yep. Cool. And there you have it, guys. Super easy. Reverse lights, license plate lights. Just be a little patient with them, but they're really not that bad of a job. So that's how we have it. Once again, if I left anything out, you have questions, comments, concerns, leave me a comment down below. I try to get back to everybody in the comments that I can. And until next video.